Good morning, children. Ninth class, third lesson in the first unit, that is a little Bobby. See, you are the children. Actually, children are some of the children are naughty. You are grown-ups, not the children now. You enter into the teenage. Now you are the grown-ups. But kids are there. Nursery, LKG, UKG. They are very naughty. If we see some of the kids, we will get surprise. Oh, like this they will behave. That the surprise will come to us. Here one boy is there. See, his name little Bobby. Bobby is name. Bobby is a naughty boy, troublemaker. Always he make some of the trouble to his mother in the house, like you. Even you grown ups, you make some of the troubles in the house like that. Here also, this Bobby he make some of the troubles to his mother. But his birthday came near. Automatically, when your birthday will come, you will expect some of the gift from your parents. Maybe the new dress or maybe other. Already you will make the proposal. I want this the thing to my birthday. So proposal should be there. Here Bobby is a little kid. He also has some of the proposal. What the proposal? He want a bike. As a kid, he want a bike. He went to the mother. At the time mother, she was cooking in the kitchen. He went to the mother and he said, Mother, my birthday is going to come. I want a bike as a present in this birthday. Mother said, okay my child. Because mother is a kind person. Whatever we will ask, that mother should give to us. Only one person in the world who can give whatever we will ask, that is the mother. After that, father. So mother, she said, okay, I can give. But very intelligent mother. She said, only one small condition. You write a letter to the God. In that letter, what you want to write? Why you deserve a bike for yourself. Bobby thought, oh, it's easy. And it went to the upstairs, first floor, upstairs. His room is upstairs. He went. His pet dog also, it followed him. Both they went into the upstairs. Then there he sat and he take one of the white paper. He started to write letter. Dear God, this totally I am good. So I can deserve a bike. Please permit me to take a bike on my birthday as a gift. But afterwards he thought that he didn't behave good in that year. Because most of the naughty things he did, that he recalled. And he thought it's not good. Again he teared that letter. Another letter he wrote. See, in your textbook, some of the letters are there, what he wrote. And the second letter he wrote, Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. Because now he want to impress the God. Because he not be totally good. If he write directly that I am good, you give the gift, God won't accept you, no. Kids are very intelligent. How to get from others, they know. Because they will show that intelligence. Here he is intelligent, he is writing. This is your friend Bobby. If I said friend, he will impress and he will give the gift. That was the plan. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. He wrote simply, I am your friend and for this birthday I want a bike. That too, a red bike. So, maybe you will present that. This is your friend Bobby. He concluded the lecture. And Bobby knew that. That wasn't true. Again he know. So this totally I am not good. How it is possible that he know? That letter he teared, another letter he wrote. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. Now he came to realize, because here the mother is intelligent, that she want to make her child realize how he behaved totally up. So he started to realizing that he wrote in the third letter, God, I am not so good this year. That was the third letter. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Even though I am not good, I am okay man. Okay boy, sorry. But boy, I want a bike. That too, red bike. Again he wrote. Bobby, no, he could not send this letter to God either. This is also not, because I am not even the okay. I am a bad boy. That he know. Bobby wrote the fourth letter. That also he did. Another one he wrote. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Your friend Bobby. Another letter he wrote. In that letter he agreed all his mistakes. God, this year I am not good. Okay, I am sorry for that. He realized it. The intention of the mother was satisfied. I am not good. I know that. For that I am sorry. Even though I want a bike. This you should present me a bike as my present as my birthday present, please. He asked and he said the thank you to God. Even though he not satisfied with that letter, because he thought that God he won't accept for this letter also. Finally, what he did, he said very intelligent. Immediately he get down from the first store and he went to the church. He went directly into the church and he went to the God. He stand in front of the God and he looked at the God. He saw there and here there was a statue of Mother Mary, God's mother. Mary's statue is there. Immediately he took that statue and he hid it in his shirt and he ran to his house. He went straightly to the floor, his room. There he sat. Again he started to write a letter. See how intelligent he is. Now he wrote the letter. What he wrote in the letter, you see? God, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send the bike to me. See how intelligent he is. God, I kidnapped your mother itself. If you want to see your mother again back, then you should want to send the bike to me. That was the letter he wrote. But you don't do that because God he won't come. Here the mother intention that he want to realize his mistakes. After reading this, you realize what your mother and your father's intention. And according to their intention, you should read in your houses and be as a good child in your house. Maybe the boy, maybe the girl. Okay? Practice and read the textbook. Reading textbook is very important. Stay home, stay safe.